The Austrians are back with a bang. So KTM just launched their newly super sports machine Moto2 inspired track focused weapon. So the bike name is KTM Rc 8C. It's going to be the ultra lightweight track weapon that designed for only one purpose, to cut down the lap times. With only 100 of these units are going into production. So by the time you're watching this video, all of them are sold out to their rightful owners. So what makes this bike very limited, very unique and very special? You have to stay tuned for that and you have to watch the full video. So before moving on to the video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss out any of my content and you will be the first to know. So let's move to the video. The KTM Rc 8C is developed and built in partnership with Ktm Motorcycle, hand-built racing chassis with a 100% track-focused objective. Talking about the frame, the KTM Rc 8C features a chromium molybdenum steel trellis frame, which is precision engineered and hand finished to be ultra stiff, pinpoint-like accuracy and very lightweight in its segment. Talking about the triple clamp, the CNC triple clamps feature an adjustable offset for rider to control. Offset can be chosen between two positions. One is 26mm and second one is 28mm for faster turn-in, improved stability and more accuracy in the track. You also have cast aluminium swing arm and crash protection aluminium mounting plates which hold the crash pads. Even if a fall, the aluminium mounting plates is going to take the complete absorption crash and completely absorb the impact and protect the swing arm. Talking about the suspension, the KTM Rc 8C suspension is built in special headquarters department in the WP, the very same responsible for the assembly of the KTM Rc16. So on the front of the KTM Rc 8C you have WP Apex Pro 7543 closed cartridge, 43mm front hook. Rider can choose the compression ratio and rebound damping because it's fully adjustable. Talking about the rear suspension, you have WP Apex Pro 7746 shock, and the rider can also choose the compression and rebound damping as well. We have also a newly designed 16-liter fuel tank which is integrated directly to the subframe, which is going to give you the perfect mass ventilation on the bike. Premium component has been put in the KTM Rc 8C. So talking about the race components, so you have KTM Rc 8C uses the lightweight Dimag UP7X forged aluminium wheels to give you the perfect stability, acceleration and handling in the corners. Talking about the front brakes, you have Brembo Stylema 290mm fully floating brake disc with aluminium rotors and titanium brake caliper screws. So the KTM Rc 8C is fitted with 19 RCS Brembo Corsa Coda radial master cylinder, which is going to give the rider perfectly bite point exactly where they want it. And talking about the rear brake, you have two 30mm Brembo's piston calipers directly mounted on the hub, complete with the titanium brake caliper screws. Talking about the tire, the KTM Rc 8C is fitted with Pirelli Diablo Superbike racing slicks as standard. Up front you will have 120/70 R17 NHS SC1 slick tire, and on the rear you have 180/60 R17 SBK SC1, and the rear tire can be upgradable to 200/55 R17 if needed to be. So talking about the engine is same used on the KTM 890 Duke R, but they've changed the components, internal components, to make the bike much more precise on the track. The KTM Rc 8C makes use of a race-focused, easy-to-use dashboard with data logging technology, which is going to record multiple aspects of your lap. Talking about the dashboard, you have AIM MXS 1.2 race dashboard with 5-inch TFT instrument console data logger with integrated GPS, which means rider can analyze everything from speed, position on the track, throttle position and mechanical running temperature as well. You also have switch gear function in the KTM Rc 8C. The rider can change the setting in the switch gear between wet and dry mapping. They can choose the engine braking settings. They can change the pit lane limiter quickly at the press of a button. You also have quick shifter as standard. This means you have more quicker and focus shifting on the track as well. Talking about the bodywork and aerodynamics, the KTM RC8C uses stability winglets which not only aid keeping things stable at high speeds but also act to provide downforce when it needed the most. The cost of the bike is 42,000 US dollar, which is very high compared to a normal super sports machine out there. And this could be the hint that KTM can make a road going version in the future as well, because KTM are not producing super sports units from a decade or so. So this is my little review of the new KTM RC8C. If you do like this video, please give it up a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon because you will be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. So this is it guys. So we'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye. See ya. Take care. Love you all.